2019 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: Bose sound system, traction control, power passenger seat, power liftgate, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, air conditioning front, 4-wheel disc brakes, heated and cooled front seats, center armrest, fog lights, power windows, CD player, rear window defroster, security system, electronic stability control, heated steering wheel, trip computer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.